Open your browser and go to google.com. Click on the Google Apps icon in the top right corner. It looks like a grid of dots. Scroll down and click on Google Forms. Once Google Forms opens, click on the blank form to start a new questionnaire. First, give your form a title. For example, type in Demographics Survey or whatever your questionnaire is about. You can also add a description below the title to give people more context. Now it's time to add your first question. Click on the question field and type your question. For example, what is your gender? Below the question, you'll see option 1. Click on it and type your first answer like male. Click Add option and type female. Now, if you want to change the type of question, click the drop-down arrow on the right side. You'll see a variety of options like short answer, multiple choice, check boxes, drop-down, and more. Choose whichever one fits your question best. To add more questions, click the plus button on the right side toolbar. Keep adding as many questions as you need. If you make a mistake, just click the delete icon on that question to remove it. You can also add images, videos, and sections to your form from the right side toolbar. This helps break up your questionnaire and makes it look more organized. Once your questionnaire is ready, click the Send button at the top right. You can send it out in 3 ways. Type in email addresses and send it directly to people, or click the link icon to copy the form link and share it anywhere, WhatsApp, Instagram, or any platform. Or click the embed icon to embed it into a website or learning platform. Now, to check your responses, click on the Responses tab at the top of your form. You'll see how many people have filled it out. Click on Create Spreadsheet to export all responses as a Google Sheet. You can then download it as an Excel file and use it however you need. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. Also press the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.